In this tutorial, you will learn how to manage data in ArcGIS Pro. ArcGIS Pro provides project templates to best suit your workflows. Since you will only be making changes to the data, you will start without a template. To make modifications to the data, you will add a folder connection to access it. The Catalog pane and Catalog view will allow you to preview and work with the data. Inside the folder connection are several additional folders and 2 geodatabases. Let's preview one of the layers in the Catalog view. Here we can see its metadata, how it looks on a map, and its tabular information. Let's take a closer look at what we have by adding this layer and several others to the map. Several of the layers extend beyond the greater Christchurch area. To focus our attention on Christchurch, we'll add an urban area boundary from the Living Atlas. We'll use the administrative category to help focus the results. The name of this layer is pretty long, so let's rename it to something shorter, like urban area. With this layer added to the map, we will be able to clip our data to this boundary, resulting in a cleaner, more focused data set. Before we do so, let's create a new file Geodatabase to store the clipped data. We will also make this Geodatabase the default, so the results of our geoprocessing will be saved here. Let's take a closer look at the urban area to see the boundary we are clipping the data to. We will run the clip tool as a batch tool, allowing us to process multiple inputs at once. The majority of the layers in the map will be our input features, and the urban area will be our clip feature. When we clip the data, each layer will be saved separately into our new geodatabase. Before we run the tool, let's set up the output coordinate system. This ensures that all the data is properly projected to the data we are currently working with. With the tool run, the data surrounding the Christchurch area has been removed. If we go into the properties of the feature class, you will see the output coordinate system that we have set. Now that we have a more focused data set, let's update the metadata to document these changes.